Hello, and welcome to day 3, Wednesday, November 25th. It is our last day of the week and our last day in Module 10. Tomorrow, Thursday, Thanksgiving Thursday, and Thanksgiving Friday, they call it. We will not have classes, so please enjoy with your families and stay safe and eat a lot of food. All right, so let's see what we have to do for today. For async, we have not office hours. We have Spark. So you will read an article about the other first Thanksgiving. Okay. And remember to try to get 75%. We are towards the end of the month. So please try and get your articles in so we can see that progress. And the second activity, which is not async, but today at 10 to 11, there is Indigenous Peoples Month education, and they're going to have a like a panel about Indigenous peoples and Thanksgiving. So that'll be from 10 to 11. Here is the Zoom meeting, and the password is celebrate capital C. All right. Also, I didn't put this in here, but I will let you know if you have any questions about anything. You can call me tomorrow morning. I will also be available in the evening on Zoom if you have any questions about anything. But other than that, enjoy. I am thankful to have all of you as um, my students in my class this semester. This semester is different, but you guys have made everything so much easier for me, and I appreciate and I'm thankful for every single one of you. So please enjoy with your families and have a happy Thanksgiving. See you guys on Monday.